gonna be watching this video. This is the first time ever that I'm gonna be uploading something here on this channel, the Otherverse. I want to say welcome to the Otherverse. And after I'm having second thoughts about uploading this here for this video to be the first one on this channel. You know, like the first video should be about where I talk about what the channel is, what the purpose is for, what the contents are gonna be, but maybe I'll do that some other time. I don't know, I'm having a bad day actually, and I'm just so anxious, and I can't calm down long enough to focus on anything. And there are a lot of things that I need to work on. My phone is dinging. I'm receiving messages inquiring about the things that I should have finished long ago. But yeah, to get back on track, we're gonna be working on a project that I have set aside. Today we're gonna be installing floating shelves that are gonna be defying gravity. So yeah, let's get to it. So these are the tools that we'll be using for this project. Of course, our electric drill, the drill bit. This is a 12mm drill bit for wood. And I have a 10mm drill bit this is for concrete. This is for drilling holes into the wall and into the wood planks. So there, and we have our wood planks. That's 3 pieces of them. This is 36 inches, 30 inches, and 24 inches. For the shelves to look like they're floating, we are not going to be using square brackets or angle brackets. We're going to be using straight brackets. This is a 12mm as well. Yeah, this is a 12mm bracket. And of course our pencil to mark things level. Make sure that everything's straight and square. This one as well. There we go. We have everything we need. Let's get started. The wall we're going to be installing the planks. You see that side over there? It's already done, so this day we'll work on this side. We're almost there. I'm starting a little bit. That's good. That's good. done installing it. We just need to clean up, and I'll show you what it looks like. I thought I'm tired. I've been sweating a lot, but that's good. That's good. We started at a little, maybe 2:15, and it's already 6:07 p.m. So that's just a little over 3 hours. Wow. So you see with this one, I started at the bottom with the shortest plank until the longest at 36 inches. And for this one, it's the reverse. So, there. So yeah, with just a few planks of wood, now I finally have a corner to retreat into, and I feel the need to.